Hi everyone, we're going to play the sound game today, but today I brought different objects on my tray. Let's take a look and see what I have. I have a seal, a fish, a hat, a whale, a bat, a flag, tiny squirrel, a nest, a button, and a wagon. Okay, I'm thinking of one of these objects, and I'm going to give you a clue so you can try to guess which one I'm thinking of. I'm thinking of something. It's on the tray, and it starts with the sound f, and it ends with the sound g. Do you see which one I'm thinking of? It starts with f, and it ends with g. Flag. Flag starts with f and ends with g. Flag. Flag. Do you hear any other sounds in the word flag? Flag. Flag. I hear 4 different sounds in that word. I'm wondering if you can tell me something on the tray that starts with the sound n and ends with the sound t. Do you see anything that starts with n and ends with t? I see one thing that starts with n. Nest. Nest. Let's see if we can think of all the sounds we hear in that word. Nest. Nest. 4 sounds in that word too. Nest. Nest. I'm thinking of something that's in my hand that starts with the sound b and it ends with the sound t. It's a bat. Let's see if we can hear all the sounds in that word. B-at, bat, bat. There's something on the tray that starts with the sound w and it ends with the sound ol. Do you see anything on the tray that starts with w and ends with ol? Ooh, I see what it is. I see a whale. W-ale. Whale. Whale starts with w and whale ends with ol. Whale. Okay, thanks for playing the sound game.